Listen, before I say anything, let me tell you this. I know how you feel. I know what it's like to pursue the goal of becoming fluent in a foreign language. It's quite a journey, and it's definitely not for quitters. Yes, it's not easy. You'll be frustrated, you'll want to quit, you'll have doubts, you'll question whether all of this is even worth it, you'll want to back out. But listen, the fact that it's not easy makes it even more worth pursuing. It takes a lot of effort, time, and sacrifice, but the satisfaction and pride after achieving your goal are beyond the words. Deep down, you know you can make it happen. Why wouldn't you? But there is one condition. You cannot give up. Prove it to yourself that you can. Be indifferent to naysayers and doubters. Don't blame them for not understanding your passion. They can't see the vision that you have in your mind. You don't want to be one of the people who give up when it gets hard. That's the reason why so few people have achieved things that we admire. Be one of those who believe in themselves no matter what. Don't look at other people, play your own game at your own pace. This is not a race. Try, experiment, make mistakes, fall down, and get back up. If life were comprised solely of success and wins, and there were no obstacles, setbacks, or disappointments, all those wins would lose their meaning. So when you feel hopeless, when you feel that it's not for you, when you start questioning whether it's even worth the time and struggle, listen to me now. This is an integral part of the game, and every language learner goes through that at some point along the way. It's a test that evaluates how much you actually want to achieve your goal. And this exact test distinguishes winners from losers. You are always one decision away from a totally different life. Keep going and don't look back. Chase the dream that you have because you're the only one who can make it come true. Be someone you're proud of and never stop dreaming. Think of those who doubt you and prove them wrong. Think of those who love you and believe in you and do it to show them how badly you want to make their lives better. Keep moving forward and never let anybody tell you that you can't do it, that is not for you, or that you're not good enough. Yes, there is a price that you need to pay. You must be ready to face obstacles and adversity. You must be ready to fall down and get back up. And you have to remember one thing. You are the only one who can make your dreams come true. And I believe in you.